Let me show you how you guys can check if your TikTok account is monetized or not. You want to click on profile at the bottom right of your screen and you want to click on the three line at the top. Then you want to click on TikTok Studio, and if you don't have TikTok Studio, basically you are not monetized, because until and unless you have this, you are not going to be able to monetize. Once you click on TikTok Studio, you can click on monetization, or right beside monetization you can see view all. You can click on that. And over here, as you guys can see, I haven't earned anything, so I'm not monetized on TikTok. Now there's like multiple ways to get monetized. One is through uploading videos, but as you guys can see where it says programs for you, I have two ways of monetization. One is through subscription, one is by working with artists. Now if you want to upload and earn money from that video, there are some criteria you need to fulfill. Since I haven't fulfilled the criteria, I'm not getting the option for that. So it's not showing me that. But if you have fulfilled the criteria, it's going to show you a third option over here. You can click on join, activate it, and then start earning money from your videos as well. But if you don't have that, you can just click on subscription and create a subscription plan, or you can just go live and get donations from your live. That's how you guys can check if your TikTok account is monetized or not. Subscribe to our channel for future videos like this.